how to create custom responsive buttons in Wix Studio. So basically, the easiest way to add a button or buttons here in Wix Studio is you just have to go or click this plus icon right here. Then you will see buttons, right? And all you have to do is to click that one and it will be added to your page. However, other people say that when you do or when you try to add this to your page, somehow it's not that really responsive. So what I'm going to show you right now is that we're going to create a responsive button right here that even if you try to zoom in, zoom out, or go to mobile view or gadget view, you will see a responsive button. So we will not be using this button right here. We're going to delete this one. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click this plus icon above and then tap container. Okay, click this one and you will see this container right here on your blank page. Now go to text and then this text will be added inside the container. This is what it looks like. So, for example, if you want to change this to buy now or add to cart, yes, you can. But what I'm going to show you is we're going to edit something here like the size, the font style, something like that. So let's start with looking for the three dots. Okay. And then we're going to click advanced settings right here. Toggle this one on. And then you should see this apply max speed. Basically, the width should be like if you can change this, then you can change this to max if you can tap this one. But basically, or unfortunately, in my case, I cannot. But you can just simply apply max speed right here. And then also same thing with the height. So after that, you can scroll down, look for font size, go to max, and then change the max to 24 and then minimum to 13. Again, font size, maximum 24, minimum 13. So once you're done with font size, you can now scroll up, tap this three dots again, toggle on advanced settings. So like what I've mentioned earlier, for the width, it should be max content right here. For height, I think it's auto. We can change this one. However, let's try to click this one again or refresh. Okay, now you can see it. So for width, again, max content. Now for minimum width and height, everything is up to you. Okay, so you just have to see if it's the best height and width for your container or button right here or your text. So all you have to do is to change and look for the specific width and height for that. Next is margins and padding. For left and right, you can click 16. For up and down, you can type 10. And that's it. So you will see the result right away. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. This is the container and this is your button. Okay, so responsive button. Now what we're going to do next is that you can now change the color of the text or change the color of the background. You will see the options on the right side if you want to change the text color or background color. There are theme colors and there is this color picker. So everything is up to you. For design and layout, you can also change this one. Change the option right here. Change the style, the font style. Everything is up to you. Scale text. Okay, for styles, tap bold, italic, alignment, capitalization, position, and so on. You can change it right here according to what you wish. So this is what it looks like. And now you can change the text if you want. You just have to double click and you can change the text here. Let's just see, for example, you can change this to buy now. Okay. So basically you can change the background color. So I think I should not change the color or background color right here so that it will be visible. So let me tap again color blue or sky blue. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Now, the good thing about this responsive button is that you can add link if you want. For example, if you tap this one, then you can basically paste a link here. For example, for page, for web address, anchor, document, phone number, lightbox, and so on. Just paste or just click this arrow facing down to choose a page. And this is what it looks like. And you can also increase or decrease the size. So you can adjust the size right here. And this is our responsive button. Okay, so basically that's it. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to you're going to make sure that this one is centered. Okay, and now you can place it anywhere if you want. So let's click preview and let's see how responsive this button is. As you can see, it also changes the font style, and also it changes the size whenever you try to zoom in and zoom out. Also, if you go to mobile view, it's the same thing. So basically, if you think that it's too small for mobile, then you can just simply change this. But the good thing is this is how you create a responsive button through adding container to your page and text instead of button, and then try to address some options and settings here. So I really hope that you like this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.